Wrinkles, dry skin, oily skin, acne, eczema, sunburn? No thank you. The all-natural face and body cream by Epic Organics solves skin problems in minutes. The cream is loaded with aloe vera and plenty of natural ingredients. And it actually soothes, heals, and moisturizes skin better than the overpriced $300 to $400 creams. Ditch those. Add this organic cream to your daily skincare regimen. Just one use per day can give your skin the boost it needs to look young, clean, and thriving. This is healthy skin nourishment in a jar. Make your skin radiate health and beauty with Epic Organics all-natural face and body cream.
Hi, this is Emily Laramie from the Art Den in Woonsocket, Rhode Island, and I wanted to talk to you today about why we use 7 Minerals Aloe Vera Gel for our tattoo work. We specialize in scar and burn coverage, and I've had this at home for a while. I use it on my skin and my hair. My daughter had a pretty bad burn one day, and when we put this on, it soothed it instantly, and it really healed quickly. Scars and burns can take 18 to 24 months before they can heal to the point where we can tattoo them and turn them into beautiful artwork. So I started to do an experiment with my traditional clients and just to use this gel on their aftercare to see how well it healed. They love it. They buy it all the time now. So I took it to the next level to the scar and burn clients. I have them start using it before their tattoo sessions. And I would say it takes months off of the heal time. It really shaves off a lot of time, and then I'm able to tattoo them that much quicker. So I can't say enough about this. I love this on a personal level, on a business level, and you should get yourself some 7 Minerals Aloe Vera Gel. Bye.